Sensor_settings. To access the sensor settings, press the menu button and go to Sensors. There are Speed Sensor, Work Sensor, Vacuum Sensor, and RPM Sensor. Speed Sensor Settings. Speed Source. There are two options available: Pulse and J1939. A. Pulse. Choose this if a speed sensor is installed on the planter's wheel. The sensor measures speed by counting each wheel bolt as it passes by during rotation. J1939. This is the most accurate and effortless method. If you have a modern tractor connected via a CAN bus line ISO socket, the system reads the speed directly from the tractor's computer. No additional wheel sensors or extra wiring are needed. Simulated speed. This setting is used only for factory testing. It should remain off. This option is not intended for end-user adjustment. You can see your calibration value here. The speed shown on the screen is how fast the seeder is moving at that moment. You can calculate your calibration value in 3 steps. Step 1. First, measure the distance around the outside of your gearbox wheel, wheel circumference, fertilizer or seed wheel. Step 2. Divide the number 100 by the wheel circumference you measured. Step 3. Multiply the result by the number of bolts on your wheel. Now let's go through an example. If your wheel circumference is 180 centimeters, 100 divided by 180 equals 0.55. If your wheel has 3 bolts, multiply 0.55 by 3. 0.55 times 3 equals 1.65. The final result, 1.65, is your calibration value. Enter this value here. You can start the speed calibration automatically from here. If your field has flat terrain and you want to use automatic calibration, you must travel for at least 100 meters. However, you can go further, 120 or 130 meters, without any issues. We start the automatic calibration using this button. Since we are filming in a studio environment, our pulse count is currently showing as 0. If the automatic calibration procedure ends without errors, the pulses accumulated over 100 meters are shown, and the calibration value of speed sensor is automatically computed. Work sensor. If your machine has a work sensor, you need to select the work source and set the work sensor to on. If your planter does not have a work sensor, keep these settings close. The vacuum sensor. If your machine has a vacuum sensor, you can activate it here and manage all settings from this menu. Alarm. If enabled, the system will provide a warning in case of a vacuum failure. Vacuum range. Displays the vacuum pressure range of your planter. You can adjust the parameters here. Minimum pressure. Enter the desired minimum value here. Maximum pressure. Enter the desired maximum value here. RPM sensor. If your machine has a RPM sensor, you can activate it here and manage all settings from this menu. Alarm. If enabled, the system will alert you in case of a PTO failure. Calibration value. This represents the number of pulses per revolution. You must set the PTO calibration value here. RPM minimum. Enter the minimum rotation speed for your PTO. RPM maximum. Enter the maximum rotation speed for your PTO.